Hi to my one subscriber and one genuine person who's actually watching my videos. Today I'm trying to look snatched. So I have colored, I've like literally bleached and then dyed my eyebrows just because I feel like it makes my features look softer and it goes with my hair. My hair is colored, so obviously. And while the color is not perfect, I like it because I got a way lighter, like literally the lightest shade of eyebrow mascara and eyebrow pencil, just so that it looks natural. And I have a lighter, like I have a light base to work with. So, and if I want them to be darker, I grab my darker shade pencil. First thing I'm gonna do is I'll start with the eyes. As usual, I'll start with the eyeshadow, and I'll be trying more of a soft look, kind of like a no makeup, but more exaggerated. So I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever palette, and I'll be using this shade right here for the eye contour. I'll take this right there. You wanna go right at the crease. And always try to follow your eye shape. Like, don't try to make it look so crazy. Just follow your eye shape. That's literally it. Like, this is what it does. Like, it kind of just makes the eye more popping. Does that make sense? So, I don't just want to go in this direction, but you kind of just want to do it right here as well, just right underneath the eyebrow. Kind of gives this contoured eye look. I mean, if you compare this side to this side, you can already tell like this is more of a deep, larger eye. So just right here and right here. So today's look's gonna be more of a contour slash highlight look, like what you can do with neutral and warm toned colors, just nude colors, just natural colors, if you will. So then I'll be priming my under eyes. I've already put moisturizer on, especially in more dry weather. It's very important to moisturize, but I mean generally it's very important to just moisturize and prime. I'll be taking this and I'll just go right here because I have some darkness. The most important thing with eyes is to just be precise. Got some darkness right here as well. Here. So this cancels out the grays. This cancels out the darkness. And then I'll be using this concealer by Tarte. It is the Creaseless Concealer and it's in the shade Medium Neutral. I figured I'm in neutral tone because I don't feel like I'm warm and I'm definitely not cool toned, so just I saw this video that said if you do your concealer, like if you conceal right here in this direction, it lifts your face. And since I have too little concealer right here, I literally don't have to add anything else. I can just take what my sponge picked up from this area and put it right here. Since I feel like this is too thick to be blended, I'll just spray a little bit of Fix Plus. And that'll do. It's important to like put your sponge very precisely, like in the area where it has it. And I actually hate having concealer right here, so I'm just gonna clean that up like afterwards because it always goes super cakey and dry, and it feels and looks gross. It's unbelievably drying. So I don't know how people do that, but I think it's just me, or maybe it isn't, but I do not like to put concealer right here, like even though I would like to color correct. It just doesn't go that well. The main thing about makeup is you have to trust the process, because right now I look like the Green Mask cartoon, and literally like it doesn't look like that in real life. I don't know what my camera is picking up. Point is, I have a blank canvas to work with, so that when I put the blushes, or the blush, and the rest of the contour, it looks great. Whenever I try to contour or use blush on just my bare skin, it doesn't, it looks so unblended. Like I try so hard to blend it, it just doesn't work, even though I have primer on. You can actually blend your eyeshadow, because it's literally cream, it's contour. That's the great thing as well about this look, is everything can be done with the beauty blender. I'll just be setting my face with powder, because this is what I do. It just makes everything so like it melting into each other, I feel. That's what I really like about powder. I can never not use powder under my eyes. I want to mattify my forehead with whatever's left. To continue the contour, I'll be taking the same darkest shade right here and just be doing a line right here. Not too long, because anyway when you blend it, it's gonna move, it's gonna go down, so you want to make a straight line just going down. You already have like a face to guide you where to put the contour, so follow that. A little bit here. For blush, I'm going to take this color right here and literally just put a line, also starting from the top and going down. So to blend everything, I'm just gonna use this and just use it as a beauty blender. I start with this and then I use the beauty blender. It's not doing much, but it's smoothing, or making it more smooth. And then I'll be taking this beauty blender, especially focusing on the borders. And right here as well. Now I'll do the eyebrows and then I'll do the highlighting. So the eyebrow pencil that I'll be using is Ash Blonde, brow pencil, and I'll be using the same shade of tinted gel. So I'll start with the pencil to comb your eyebrow hairs down, and then start to draw a line. Honestly, people are such a scam. Like, they tell you to get like the same shade of your eyebrow. Honestly, in my opinion, you should get, even if your eyebrows aren't bleached and they're natural color, just get something lighter, because you can always build it up. But when it's dark, like when it's your shade, it's just one mistake and you're done. You're looking like just a clown, honestly. My eyebrows were so dark and so ugh a few years ago. Maybe even till recently. But it's definitely an improvement. So what I'm trying to do right now is just filling in like where the lines should be. Because I have some gaps in the top part of my eyebrow. Even though I'll be combing my hairs up, it still shows. So now I'll just be drawing the hairs. I have to fill it in. It can be as rough as you want because it's lighter than your shade. Next, I'll be taking the mascara and just, I'm literally so like in love with this shade because I know it's blonde, literally, but it gives this grayish eyebrow look, and without like using powder, without using anything, so I really like that. So in order to elevate this look a little bit, I'm just gonna be putting a inner corner highlight. I'll be using this palette by Huda Beauty. I'll take the color Bubbly, this one right here. And what I'll be doing is just going right here, right above the inner corner. I don't like to go in the corner itself, just right here, right in this area. I'll take that same color and just put it right here. And with my finger, opened it up a little bit. And I want a little bit of it right here. And just with my finger, I'll make it a little bit more soft. So this look is very nice because like the face is glowy and at the same time it's very soft. So next what I'll be doing is the eyeliner, but instead of actual eyeliner I'll be taking a dark brown shade, which is Cocoa from this palette, and I'll be creating kind of like a wing just right at the end, dragging the eye. It's more warm toned than I had anticipated, but it still works. So next I'll be taking this like golden highlighter from the Huda Beauty. This is the Pink Sands edition. Just right here. See the highlight? It's so pretty because it goes with the whole look. Mascara, I'll be taking this Volume Million Lashes mascara by L'Oreal. This is what it looks like. It looks so like elegant. Then I go downwards carefully because I don't want to ruin everything that I've done so far. For these bits right here, I actually do it like vertically, like literally like 90 degrees to my eyes, almost. Not touching the under eye. I don't know why I feel like this is like a school look or like an interview look. Obviously without the highlights, I mean with less highlights I guess. And under my eyes, I'll take the same brush with the same like shade, the dark one. I feel like concealer gets in my lower lashes and makes them kind of disappear, so you want to be soft just to fix everything very lightly. They're like a neat, clean look. If you do it too harsh, you'll just be picking up the makeup. And then I go with a lip liner. And I'll be using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. So that is the full look. It can come in handy when you don't want to go crazy, but you want to go crazy. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you later.